Number 1 solving. Fx is equals to 2x plus 1 and g of x equals x minus 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Halan Fornae and from HAC G11C, and I'm here to explain in how to solve this problem. Number 1. A. Fx equals to 2x plus 1. F of g times x is equals to 2. Substitute the g of f. That's why x minus 3, and bring down the positive one here. 2 times x is equals to x. 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6, and bring down the positive 1 again. 2x bring down here, and negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5, and this is the final answer. Letter B. Gx equals x and negative 3. G of f times x is equals to, substitute the f of g. That's why 2x plus 1, and bring down the negative 3 here. After that, remove the open and close parentheses and combine it together. Again, bring down the negative 3 here, and 2x bring down here, and positive 1 and negative 3 is equals 2, because the 3 is highest more than 1, and this is the final answer.
Number 2 solving. F of x equals to 2x squared and g of x equals x plus 5.
F of x equals squared and g of x equals plus 5. F of g of x equals 2. Substitute the f to g of x equals x plus 5. Open combine the letter. 5x plus 5x equals 10x. Bring down the square. Square plus 10x. Bring down 25. The final answer is square plus 10x 25. G of x equals x plus 5. Substitute the f to f of x equals square and plus 5. The final answer is x square plus 5.
Number 3 solving. Fx is equals 3x minus 4 and gx equals x squared plus 1.
Here's the example of equation me and my team were given each problem to solve. Composition of function. F of x equals 3x minus 4 and g of x equals x squared plus 1. F of g of x equals 3x plus minus 4. Then the x, substitute the x to g of x, which is the x squared plus 1. Then bring down the 3 and open close parenthesis x squared plus 1, and bring down my minus 4. Then 3 times x squared equals 3x squared. Then 3 times 1 equals 3. Then bring down minus 4. 3x, then 3 minus 4 equals 1. Then the final answer is 3x squared minus 1. G of f of x equals x squared plus 1. We substitute the x to 3x minus 4 with the exponent of 2 plus 1. Then expand the 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4, then 3x minus 4 plus 1. And we're going to use the following method. 3x times 3x equals 9x squared. Then 3x times 4 equals 12x. Then 3x minus times 4 equals 12x. Then 4 times 4 equals 16. Then bring down plus 1. Combine the like term, which is the like term is 12x and 12x. 12x plus 12x equals 24x. The final answer is 9x squared equals 24x plus 17. The final answer of f of x equals 3x minus 4 and g of x equals x squared plus 1 is f of g of x equals 3x squared minus 1 and g of f of x 9x squared minus 24x plus 17. And that's all. Thank you.
Number 4 solving. Fx equals 5x and gx equals x squared minus 4.
Of x equals 5x, g of x is square root of minus 4. F of g of x equals 5x. Bring down 5. Then substitute the x squared minus 4. Then 5 times x equals 5 squared. Then 5 times 4 equals 5. The final answer is f of g of x equals 5x squared minus 20. G of f of x equals square root minus 4. And 5 times 5 squared with the exponent. Bring down 4. Then 5 then expand 5x minus 4. Then the final of x, g of f of x equals 10 squared minus 4.
Number 5 solving. Fx equals x cubed and gx equals 2x plus 7.
Number 5, f of x equals to x cubed, while the g of x equals to 2x plus 7. Now we're going to find the f of g of x equals to x cubed. Bring down the 2x plus 7. Then expand the 2x plus 7 equals to 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7. Now we're going to use the form method here. 2x times 2x is equals to 4x squared. 2x times 7 is equals to 14x. 7 times 2x is equals to 14x. And 7 times 7 is equals to 49. Then bring down the 2x plus 7. Here we're going to bring down the 2x squared plus 28x because 14x plus 14x is equals to 28x. Then bring down the 49 here. And bring down the 2x plus 7. Now we're going to use also a full method here. 4x squared times 2x is equals to 8x cubed. 28x times 2x is equals to 56x squared. 49 times 2x is equals to 48 48x. Then 4x squared times 7 is equals to 28x. 28x times 7 is equals to 196x. 48 times 7 is equals to 343. Now we're gonna add the like terms here. Since there's no like terms of 8x cubed, we're gonna put it here. Then 46x squared plus 28x squared is equals to 84x squared. 98x plus 48x is equals to 294x. Then bring down the 343. The final answer of f of g of x is equals to 8x cubed plus 84x squared plus 294x plus 343.
Number 6 solving. Fx is equals x squared minus 3 and gx equals 2x plus 1.
This is the final answer. G of x equals x squared minus 5.
Number 7 solving. Fx equals 3x and gx equals x squared plus x.
F of x equals 3x, g of x equals x squared plus x, f of g of x equals 3x. Substitute the x to x squared plus x. 3 times x squared equals 3x squared. 3 times x equals 3x. This is the final answer. F of g of x equals 3x squared plus 3x. G of x equals x squared plus x. Substitute the x squared to 3x. Open and close parentheses 3x with the exponent of 2 plus x. Expand the 3x, 3x. 3x times 3x equals 9x squared. Bring down the plus 1, and this is the final answer. G of x equals 9x squared plus 1.
Solving number 8. Fx equals x squared minus 5 and gx equals negative x and negative 1.
Negative 1 times
minus 5 and combine the like term. 1x plus 1x is equal to 2x.